Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share an altered playing card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I'm trying to get back into crafting, guys. It's slow, and I think once once work winds down, then I'll be able to come in here more often. But I Um, crafted with a friend last night, and we chatted, we crafted a little bit, and it was fun. It was something that I've been missing. So here is my altered playing card. Oops. And all I did was I sanded my card like I usually do, layered some paper that I have in my stuff. I feel like I'm never gonna use it up, but I've been using a lot of scraps um, in my projects, and it's never ending. It's going down though, but it's not completely gone. And I don't think it'll ever go down because, when you keep creating and you keep, making cards and, crafting, you will never get rid of your scraps. So it is what it is. So I sanded it down with my sanding block, and I think I've showed you this before. It's just a block from the Dollar Tree, and then I took some strips of paper, laid it down. This is like a music sheet paper, this green one. Um, I tore the ends of the paper to expose the playing card. Then I layered these ephemera pieces that I had in my stash. I was looking for little bits and pieces, or little small ephemera pieces. And it doesn't make sense, like a hot air balloon, a bicycle, and a bird. So, and then this little ephemera that says follow your dreams. So it's not, I layered them together because I liked how it looked. That's all. It doesn't make sense. Then I popped out the bird with some um, foam squares um, from the Dollar Tree, and yeah, called it a day. I do like how it looks. I love the layered look. So yeah. So this is for week 26, June 26. Oh, wow. It fell on a 26. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.